Just hit the wires. One dead at Astro Comics.
Abaddon?
Yeah, has to be.
Okay, so she's close. I'll go find Henry, you find Larry, figure out how to kill this chick.
So, Henry is dead. I was so sure that he had survived.
Yes, well, like I said, I found his journal and was hoping you could fill in the gaps and explain to me what happened that night in 1958.
Doesn't matter. They're gone. We're gone.
But Abaddon is not.
Abaddon was a hired gun. She killed us all at one night.
Everyone but you.
She blinded me. It's a miracle I survived.
It's okay, dear.
But she did not get what she came for.
The box. Listen, Abaddon is here. And she wants this thing, so I need to know everything there is to know about it.
In the box